Hello, what's up? Well, I called this pizza place earlier and they said they'll bring my food. I've been waiting here for 10 minutes. I didn't get anything. So right now, they're by barbecue. So I'm calling them now. Show them. Yep. Pick up, you douche. Yeah, hello. I ordered 1 cheese pizza and a Pepsi. You say you don't know. Are you ridiculous? No, that's not funny, dude. I want my pizza in 10 minutes at least, or I'm coming and I'm gonna kill you. What's so funny? Should I call the police, dude? Shut up. No, no. Bring my pizza in 10 minutes or I'm calling the police. It's not funny. No, not funny. Okay. I've not got my food. I want it now. You got that? Yeah, you better. God's encyclopedia. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, I just cracked my arm. Peace out, home dog.